Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright man, this video we got a 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. It's got a 6.6 turbo diesel. And my customer right here, client,
hello,
we're doing an oil change on it. And I just want to point out a few things that we noticed. But first, let me back it up. She did book me and had no problem with the flat rate fee or the quote that I gave her. And I'm here to do the service. We're gonna knock it out, and she's gonna pay me after the service, and I'm gonna give her an invoice. Right?
that's simple.
All right, so we're gonna get started, man.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
All right, so we got 2.5 gallon jug here. Got a filter, 15W40. Before we start, me and my client were discussing these levels here, and I basically pointed out to her that she had this level here. That's the brake reservoir, and it's low. You got a maximum line, and you got a minimum, and she's like in between. And she said something about her brakes as I mentioned this, and she said, "Do I need some more brake fluid?" Right?
That's what I said. That's what I said. The reason is because my light came on. It said service brake pad monitor. So when he mentioned about the brake fluid being low, I said, well, does that mean I just need to add brake fluid? No, that means I need new brakes. It was telling me. So
that's what the indicator is for. So ladies and gentlemen, this is not a level or a reservoir that you need to refill. If anything, you'll just need to replace or do a flush and put new fluid in it. But you would definitely just have to keep an eye on this and make sure it's high. If it's high, that means your brake pads are basically thick, and if it's low, then you have low brake pads. So you never refill it. Once you put new pads on it, then that level goes up. So first we're going to take off this oil cap here. That'll help the oil flow as well. So we're going to get up under here, driver's side. This is what we got. This for the oil filter. Got some pliers for it. 15 mil. Get that out. For the drain plug. Get up under here. We got 2 drain pans to catch all of this fluid. So we get up under here. That's the oil pan right there. Got the drain plug, 15 mil. Right beside it is the oil filter, and we're gonna get that out with the oil filter pliers. I went ahead and put this little shield down this pan, catch the oil. We're gonna get ready to swap this thing out. All right, we got the full one in the back. Alright, we just about done. Alright, we got that back in there, tightened down. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit that filter, get that loose, drain that. Alright, we got the filter off completely and it's draining. We're gonna let that drain for a second, wipe it down, clean it off. Alright, we got our new oil filter. We're gonna get some of this oil. Just wipe it around there. like that. And also I like to pour some fluid down in there before I install. Alright, we're ready to install that filter. Got that wiped down. Alright, we got that filter on there. Now we're gonna go up top, add the fluid. Alright, so we got that topped off. I'm gonna start it up and rev it up and get that, build that oil pressure up. And come out here, turn it off, come out here and check the oil level. Just want to make sure you don't have no leaks coming. No new leaks. There's a dipstick right here. Gonna go ahead and reset this oil light. Turn the key forward. We got our little toggle switch here. You wanna get these messages off first and twist it to the right until we get to oil life. You want to get there, you want to press the button, hold it down, reset, yes, and it's reset 100%. All right, so that's going to be it, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.